Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in this today's video we are going to see about an amazing tool or website which is very unique, which solves most of your files problem as you can read on my screen. So let's go and see what is that website and what is the different features of TinyWow. So the website is TinyWow. Write it on your internet browser, and this is the first link. As you can see, it has amazing features. I think it solves entire problem related to files. So this is the home page of TinyWow. How it looks like. It solves all your file problem as it says. It removes background, merge PDF, split PDF. There are so many things. Most of the things, there are hundreds of things which this solve. And the best thing is, it is absolutely for free. The most unique feature is uploaded and generated files are deleted after an hour. This is also very important. So this shows that your data is not being stored anywhere. So the first is, let's go with the PDF section. I want to make this video in different parts, so it will not be one lengthy video and it's easier to follow for any of you if you are looking for something specific. So this is for PDF. This is separate spec section for image, video and different files, and there are others also if you want to create URL code generator, URL to JPG, something, but we will see. The first way we're going to explore is remove background. This is one what I have used recently, and I'll tell you, this is the PNG file which I want to remove background from, and it is been amazing. It also gives the option to save this particular file with QR code, and also you can, as it is completely for free, you can just share your thoughts on any of the social media platform, and it is amazing. It has been very nice, and as you can see, the rating is 4.7, which is very nice. I felt like a video must be there for such amazing work, because it feels like when it solves your problems you have related to files has been easily resolved using this. So TinyWow, just give a look around. Hopefully it will solve your problems. In next video, part 2, I'll show some other related to meme maker and URL to PDF, because these are the things which you can explore on your own, but I want to give you a try for different things which are absolutely new and amazing feature they have built up. So let us give a try in the next upcoming video related to TinyWow. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.